Have you ever wondered how popular websites handle millions of requests without crashing? So I'm Safia, and in this video we will explore the secrets to maximize the performance and scalability of Nginx, helping you ensure your website can handle any level of traffic. Right? So, introduction. Introduction is Nginx as a web server and reverse proxy. So, Nginx is like a traffic cop for the internet. It's a web server that serves web pages and handles user requests, making websites run smoothly. Additionally, it acts as a reverse proxy, directing requests to the right place, like web servers or applications, to ensure fast and secure online experiences, right? In essence, Nginx is the gatekeeper that helps websites work quickly and efficiently. Get it? So I explain this, right, in simple language. So Nginx is like a traffic cop for the internet, and you know how the traffic cop directs car at a busy intersection to keep traffic following smoothly. Well, Nginx does something similar but for website on the internet, right? So Nginx keeps website run smoothly. That means websites are like houses on the internet, and people visit them by sending requests. So Nginx is the web server of this house, and it serves web pages to visitor and handles all their requests, right? So this is important because it makes sure websites run smoothly and quickly. Next is Nginx direct internet traffic. That means uh, direct traffic, but Nginx does not stop at just serving web pages, right? It's also like a GPS for the internet. When someone wants to visit a website, Nginx figures out which house in the sense web server or applications, right? So the request should go to, and it's like making sure you are on the right road to reach your destination quickly, right? Third point is ensuring fast and secure online experience, right? So Nginx jobs is not just about speed, right? It's also about security. And it makes sure that the internet traffic, it means request and data, goes to the right place securely. And it's like having a security guard at the gate, changing who's allowed in the who's not, right? Who's allows and basically who's allowed in and who's not, right? So Nginx, next point is basically Nginx is the gatekeeper. So in a nutshell, Nginx is like the gatekeeper of the internet. It helps websites work quickly and efficiently by serving web pages and making sure requests go to the right place. Right, so it's like the traffic cop and GPS for the internet, and keeping things running smoothly and securely. Right. Next slide is importance of performance and scalability in handling web traffic. So, performance and scalability are crucial for handling web traffic because they ensure that websites and applications work quickly and efficiently, even when many people are using them. So, performance means fast, loading times, providing a smooth and enjoyable user experience. And scalability allows a website or application to grow and handle more visitors without slowing down or crashing, ensuring it remain accessible and reliable during traffic spikes, right? So these two factors are key to meeting user expectations and maintaining the success of online services. So I explain this, right? So like first I will explain performance, right? So think of performance like the speed of a race car. When a website or application has good performance, it means it runs really fast, just like a fast car, right? So this speed is important because it makes sure that when you click on a website, it shows up quickly on your screen. It's like when you press a button, you want something to happen right away, not waiting forever. Right. Second point is scalability. So now imagine you have a lemonade stand, right? And at first you have a few customers and you can serve them easily. Get it? But as more people come to buy lemonade and you need to add more cups, more lemons and more tables to keep up. So scalability is like making your laminate stand bigger and better when more and more people want laminate, right? So it helps you stand handle a lot of customer without getting slow or crashing, right? So performance is about making things fast and smooth, like a speedy car, and scalability is about being able to handle lots of customer without any problems. Just like when your laminate stand grows to serve more people, so websites and apps need both performance and scalability to make sure they work well and can handle lots of users even during busy times like a big sale or a popular event. It's all about giving people a good experience and keeping everything running smoothly, right? So that's it. Next slide is high performance. So what is it? High performance. So the ability to serve web content quickly and efficiently. So I explain this, don't worry. Right. So serving web content quickly and efficiently means making websites and the stuff of them or basically stuff on them load really fast and work smoothly, right? So imagine when you click a link or type a web address, you want the web page to appear on your screen without waiting too long, right? So serving content efficiently is like having a well organized super fast waiter at a restaurant. They bring you what you want almost instantly, right? So making your online experience enjoyable and speedy. So it's all about making sure websites work nicely and don't keep you waiting. Get it? Right. So next is how Nginx achieve high performance, right? That's the important question. So Nginx event driven asynchronous architecture, right? So Nginx event driven synchronous architecture allows it to handle multiple tasks concurrently, like a traffic cop directing vehicles efficiently at an intersection, ensuring fast and smooth web performance. So I explained this, right? So just imagine Nginx as a traffic cop at a busy intersection on the internet instead of dealing with one car at a time. Get it? So this traffic cop manage several cars simultaneously. So here how it's work, traffic cop is Nginx. So Nginx is like our traffic cop. It stands at the intersection, it means your website, and manage the flow of incoming and outgoing cars, it means request and response, right? Second point is like a multiple tasks at once. Unlike a regular traffic cop who can handle one car at a time, Nginx can handle many cars. Cars in the sense requests, right, at once. It does not get overwhelmed even when there's a lots of traffic, right? Third is like efficient direction. So Nginx efficiently directs each car, it means request, to the right destination, destination in the sense the web server of web pages they are looking for, and it does without causing traffic jams or delay, right? Fourth point is like fast and smooth traffic, right? So basically just like a skilled traffic cop ensure a smooth flow of cars at an intersection, Nginx ensure fast and smooth web performance. It makes sure that web visitor get to where they want to go quickly without any hiccups, right? So Nginx event-driven synchronous architecture is like having a super efficient traffic cop for your website, and it handles many tasks at the same time, ensuring that everything moves swiftly and without any traffic congestion, making your website fast and responsive. Get it? Right. So next slide is real-time example of, for online retailer. So imagine a popular online store holding a big sale. Lots of shoppers rush to the website at once, and Nginx acts like a super fast cashier. So ensuring everyone gets served quickly and does not have to wait in long lines, right? So customers can shop smoothly even during the busiest moments, right? I know you understand this, but I will explain this, right? So, imagine you are shopping at a super busy store during a big sale, and there are so many people trying to buy things, and you don't want to stand in long time, right? Sorry, long lines. And that's where Nginx comes in, right? So Nginx is like a super fast cashier, and it's really good to handling lots of customers all at once. So when many shoppers rush to the store's website, Nginx makes sure they all get served quickly, just like a fast cashier at a real store, right? Because of Nginx, you won't have to wait in long lines when you are shopping online during a big sale. It keeps things running smoothly even when the store's website is super crowded. So you can easily find and buy the stuff you want without any hassle, right? So this is all about example online retailer, right? Next slide is scalability. So what is it? So the ability to handle increased traffic by adding more resources. So handling increased traffic by adding more resources is like preparing a big party. Imagine you are hosting a gathering at your home or house, right? So, and you expect a lot of guests. So, you have set a tables, chairs, and food for everyone, right? But as more people start arriving, you notice that your seats are filling up and the food is running out quickly. So in this situation, what can you do ensure everyone has a good time, right? So first, add more seats, right? So you can bring in extra chairs and tables to accommodate more guests, and this is like adding more resources to your website on server. So resources in the digital world might include things like servers, memory, or processing power, right? And get more food, like to keep your guest satisfied, and you order more food or cook extra dishes. So in the digital world, this is similar to increasing your server's capacity to handle more requests or visitors, right? So handling increased traffic by adding more resources means making sure your website or server can handle more visitors or users by giving it extra power, just like you'd make your party more comfortable by adding more seats or for more foods for your guests. So this way everyone can enjoy the experience without feeling overcrowded or slow down, right? I hope you get it. Next is how Nginx achieve scalability. So Nginx achieve scalability by acting like a smart traffic cop. It directs websites visitor to multiple servers, like opening new checkout counters when a store gets crowded. It means load balancing, right? And this way the website can handle more visitors without getting sluggish, similar to a shopping mall expanding by adding more shops, right? So I explain this. There are basically two things. First is load balancing, right? So let's break down this, and imagine Nginx as a super smart traffic cop for website, and its job to make sure the website runs smoothly even when lots of people want to visit it, right? So first is load balancing. It means direct traffic, right? Directing traffic. So Nginx works like a traffic cop that directs car to different lanes on a busy road. When too many cars want to go to the same place, it means your website, and Nginx steps in and sends some cars to different lanes and servers, right? So this way, not all the cars, it means website visitor, pile up in one place, making traffic move smoothly, right? Second is horizontal scaling. So it's like expanding expanding like a mall. So think of your website like a shopping mall. When more and more shoppers, it means website visitors, come in the mall, does not want to get too crowd, right? So what does it do? Right. So it opens more shops, it means servers, just like how a mall can keep growing by adding more shops. Your website can handle more visitors by adding more servers, right? So Nginx helps with this too, and making sure that everyone can shop, it means browse your site without feeling crowded. Get it? So, sorry. So, in a nutshell, Nginx is like a clever traffic cop for your website, ensuring that it does not get jammed with too many visitors. It spreads the visitor to different server. It means load balancing, right? Servers, and lets your website grow smoothly by adding more servers. It means horizontal scaling, just like a mall adding more shops when it gets busy. Get it? Next is real-time example, social media platform. So think of a busy social media platform during a major event. So Nginx plays the role of a traffic cop, directing the incoming visitors to different lands, it means servers, like a pro. This way, the platform stays speedy and responsive, even when everyone's posting and sharing at once, right? So, imagine like you are at a massive event like a concert, right? And there are a thousand of people trying to get in, so it's basically it's chaotic, right? So now picture Nginx as a super efficient traffic who's really good at managing the situation, right? So Nginx is like the traffic cop for a busy social media platform during a major event when lots of people are using the platform all at once, and it can get really crowded and things might slow down, but Nginx steps in and makes sure everything runs smoothly, right? So sorry. So here's how it works. So Nginx directs the visitor, it means the people using the social media platform, to different lanes, it means servers, just like a traffic cop directs car to different lanes on the road. And this way, instead of everyone trying to cram through one door, they are split up into manageable groups. So by doing this, Nginx ensure that the platform stay fast and responsive even when there are a huge crowd of people posting, sharing and interacting. Nginx keeps things organized and running smoothly. So it's like magic, right? But it's actually smart technology, and that helps your favorite social media site handle the huge traffic during major event without slowing down, right? So next is advantage. So Nginx performance and scalability bring some benefit. First is faster website loading. Nginx makes your website load quickly so visitor don't have to wait, right? So Nginx is like a super fast delivery person for your website. When someone wants to visit your site, Nginx makes sure it arrives at their computer or phone really quickly, right? So this means your website pops up on their screen in a snap, and they don't have to wait. It's like magic, right? So second one is better user experience. So users get a smooth and enjoyable experience without delay or hiccups. Basically, have you ever been to a website that takes forever to load? Right. So it's frustrating, right? So Nginx makes sure that doesn't happen, and with Nginx, your website runs smoothly like a well-oiled machine, and this way people can enjoy browsing your site without any annoying delay or interruption, right? So third one is handling traffic spikes. So Nginx can manage sudden rushes of visitors without crashing, keeping your site accessible even during busy times. So imagine your website is like a shop, and suddenly a lot of customer rush in because of a big sale. So without Nginx, it's like the shop might collapse because there are too many people inside, right? But with Nginx, it's like having a superhero manager who keeps everything organized. It can handle lots of visitors even during the busiest times, so without your website crashing. So your site stay open and available no matter how many people show up, right? So in a nutshell, Nginx is like having a super speedy delivery, a smooth and hassle-free experience for visitors, and a superhero manager for your website. So all rolled into one, and it makes your website fast, user-friendly, and able to handle lots of visitors making both you and your visitors happy, right? So conclusion is, in conclusion, Nginx high performance and scalability are like a sturdy breeze that can handle heavy traffic without slowing down. It's a must for website and apps with lots of visitors, ensuring they run smoothly even during the busiest time. Right. So, thank you. And yeah, I hope you get it. Right. So to recap, we have discussed techniques for optimizing Nginx configuration, load balancing, and caching to boost your website performance, right? So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on web server optimization. So in our next video, we will delve into advanced Nginx configurations for even greater scalability. So stay tuned, right? So thank you once again for watching and I appreciate your support. See you in the next video.